Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. You can also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart right now. Check out, and they'll ship this to you pretty fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Alright, let's see what's inside. And like I said, if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out. They can ship this to you fast. Alright, let's test this thing out. Thank you guys for sending me this. Not sure what it is. Motion censored. Oh, sweet. These are... I'm not sure where they're coming from, but looks like it'll be a motion censored 26-inch LED or 26 LEDs, 12-inch USB recharger, under cabinet lights, motion sensor. All right, definitely could use these. It's always good to have around, especially if you have closets or under cabinets you could use. We'll find a spot for this little guy and then test it out. Definitely these things are, ooh, you get a couple of them. Alright. What is this? Looks like a USB, especially for you. What is this? Mystery gift. So you get a little bonus on top of the, what is this? USB? It's a keychain type deal. Maybe to charge it. Here we go. No strobe. Soft light. Intelligent induction. LED. USB charging. Ultra thin model. No wiring. Blech. Alright, let's take a look. I definitely got spots for these to put up, so. Oh, these are different. Different is good, though. Get out. See? Alright, I think everything's out. Keep this one. So I think this is like their 4-pack. Or maybe it's just for me, but click on that link and you'll see. Keep that right there. Oh, this is super lightweight. USB. Comes with one of these little guys. And here's the magnetic. Oh, this is cool. Come on. Do I need them? Get out. This little guy is not getting out. I don't need it. Alright. Magnetic. Oh, it's a protector for the magnetic. Ah, see? Got two. Should peel it off. Oh. LED cabinet light. Whoa. These are strong magnet. Let me see which way it goes which way. Oh my god. Hold on. Ooh, do not throw these out. You need these. These are the sticky stuff. So you gotta peel it right there. I almost made a big boo-boo. Just peel it off. And then go like this. They go. And these are the way they go. Make sure you clamp it on good. Like this. There you go. Or you can just slide it wherever you're gonna have it mounted. And then you drop you guys down. You take sticky side. Make sure you get the other sticker so it's like a double-sided tape. And just put it on. Definitely excited to see how bright these are. But I definitely got a spot for them. Not sure about all these, but maybe one right now I could think of.
Motion detected at the front door.
Hold on. Alright, again, somebody was at the door. One of those days so far for Tuesday. See, easy peasy. Just line it up. So make sure you do keep those little white things right there. Do not toss them. Because at first I thought it was garbage just to hold it. But definitely not garbage. Definitely need it. So we got that part all taken care of. Let me get this garbage out of the way. There we go. So the manual is like this. Tells you how to install. Parameter, color temperature is 6000K. Charging method, USB. 26 LEDs. 26 LEDs. 12-inch. The length. Battery is 1000 mAh. Night sensing only. 4-piece cabinet. So, yeah, this is cool though. You get definitely your money's worth out of this. We'll just take these out. Like I said, we'll just do one install and figure out what I'm going to do with the rest. Okay, that's empty. That's full. Full. Cover this up. These are empty. Empty ones, brand new ones. I think they're all the same length, so I'm just getting them out just to get them out. Let them breathe. But you never know, I might find a spot later tonight and hook them up. But we'll hook up one of them because I definitely know a spot right now I could shove this. That'll come in handy. That's empty. So this is good to go. We're going to turn it on. Whoa. There's motion. Or is that off? USB. There we go. Make sure you peel that off. There we go. Alright guys, I got them all installed now. Cleaned them all up. But these are really cool. Super bright. Got the motion sensor right here. And they do work. See? Just gotta hold it, press it, and it'll be good to go. Watch this. Let me turn off the lights. Here we go. Got the lights off. Look how bright it is. Definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, this is a 4-pack. And all you gotta do is click that link down below. Add them to your cart. You can shove these anywhere. Your munchie drawer where you store your food. So you don't have to keep on looking for food. At nighttime, you got one of these right there. Like I said, motion light LED. Really cool. You got 26 LEDs in there. And it's super light USB. Comes with that. It says 4-pack. I'll show you where I have them installed. Alright guys, just give it a few seconds and it turns off. And once you get closer, boom. So that's good range. Right there. I got one in my kitchen. I'll show you that in a second. Here we go. Bada boom. See, I dimmed this one. I made it dimmer. Still pretty bright. So that's a good spot for the dog to eat, drink their water, and he can see it. So definitely a nice one to get. Check them out, YouTubers. My affiliate link will be down below. And you guys be safe. Take it easy.